honky-tonks in Texas were my natural second home, where you tip your hat to the ladies and the rose of San Antonio. I grew up on music that we call Western swing. It don't matter who's in Austin, Bob Wills is still the king. You can hear the Grand Ole Opry up in Nashville, Tennessee. It's the home of country music, on this we all agree. When you cross that old Red River, horse, that sure don't mean a thing. 'Cause once you're down in Texas, Bob Wills is still the king. Bob Wills is still the king. You know, one of the strongest influences on Texas music was this freewheeling fiddler, Bob Wills. From the 20s through the 60s, he did it his way. From West Texas house dances to California ballrooms, from network radio to movies and TV.
And you know, thanks to people like Asleep at the Wheel and our friends Hag and Hoyle and Red and Ray and Waylon and William, about 100 old playboys, that music's still living, ain't it?
Yeah. You know something, Johnny? You know it better than anybody, but Bob's trademark, of course, was a big white hat.
And a big black cigar.
Yeah, and of course that famous...
Ah-ha!